Hey everyone, today I'm going to review the DuckDuckGo browser and explain if it's safe or not. So first, what is a DuckDuckGo? So DuckDuckGo is a privacy-focused browser and a search engine. The main idea here is simple. It helps you browse the internet with more privacy compared to regular browsers that may track more of your activity. On their official website, DuckDuckGo says it is built for data protection, not data collection. Now, is DuckDuckGo safe to use? In general, yes. DuckDuckGo is safe for normal browsing. It can block many trackers, help protect your searches, and reduce how much personal information is collected while you browse. It also has features like private search, tracker blocking, and cookie protection, which can be helpful if you do not want websites following you around online. But it is also important to understand that DuckDuckGo does not make you completely invisible on the internet. Your internet provider, some website, and certain online services may still have some activity depending on what you do. So even if DuckDuckGo gives you more privacy, you still need to be careful. Do not download random files, do not click suspicious links, and do not enter personal information on websites that you do not trust. So for everyday use, DuckDuckGo is a good option if you want a simple browser that focuses more on privacy. It is especially useful for people who want fewer trackers and a cleaner browsing experience. But if you need a full protection, you should still use safe browsing habits and make sure that your device is protected. So overall, DuckDuckGo is safe to use and it is a good browser for privacy. Just remember, no browser can protect you from everything, so always stay careful online. Thank you so much for watching. For more videos like this, hit the subscribe button below and I'll see you on the next video.